As we talk about today's program, according to me, it was fantastic. So I learned the leadership skills, the management. Everybody is born with some talent. Everyone has an inborn talent. We showcase that talent over here.
We learned many new things. We learned teamwork, we learned collaboration, we learned how to manage things.
My name is Shweta. I am the Academics Director for the Besant group of institutions. I have been associated with Kapable since last 3 years, as my daughter is a part of Kapable, and I have seen her changing. And this was the main motive that I wanted even my Besant students to be a part of this Kapable. I am very glad to have Kapable today, and the way they have delivered the entire exercise was fruitful.
Hi, I am Mohit Yadav. I am the Director Principal of Besant School. These days we are providing education to the students in all formats. But to live a good life in the society for the future generation, the students do require 21st century skills, which are already unified by the UNESCO. It was a wonderful experience that I can see in the faces of students. My message to all the educators, mentors would be, let's start thinking something out of the box, out of the four walls, because we are confined to studies and academics only, while we should be providing these 21st century skills also. Out of these 21st century skills, so many things are there. Team Kapable is wonderful team. They have the capacity to convert their name into reality. They have made the students to understand their capability. So students were able to understand, see what they can do, which is somebody who can outside can only come and deliver, not within the schools itself sometimes. So it is always required. I strongly recommend Kapable for other schools for the 21st century skills implementation.